Introduction. The winds of change. The job market is an ever-changing landscape, a vast ocean with its own currents and tides. Gone are the days of linear career paths and predictable trajectories. Today we face a reality where change is the only constant, and adaptability is our most valuable compass. Uncertainty can feel like a relentless storm, leaving us feeling lost and unsure of our direction. But amidst the uncertainty lies tremendous opportunity. A recent study revealed that over 40% of professionals are considering leaving their current jobs, a testament to the growing sense of unease and desire for change. From recent graduates struggling to find their footing to seasoned professionals facing unexpected layoffs, the stories are as diverse as the individuals themselves. The modern job market, for all its volatility, presents unparalleled opportunities for those willing to embrace change and chart their own course. This is not a time for fear or paralysis. It's a time for exploration, innovation, and a bold commitment to crafting fulfilling and meaningful careers. This guide will serve as your compass, providing you with the insights, tools, and inspiration to navigate the uncertainties, embrace the possibilities, and chart a course toward a career that aligns with your values, passions, and aspirations.
Lost and found. Navigating the labyrinth. The feeling of being lost in the job market is more common than you might think. It's like navigating a labyrinth with constantly shifting walls and no clear path to the center. You're bombarded with advice from all directions, each voice adding to the cacophony of confusion. Take, for instance, Sarah, a talented graphic designer with years of experience. After being laid off from her corporate job, she found herself lost in a sea of freelancers and agencies, unsure how to stand out in the crowded market. Or consider Mark, a recent college graduate who excelled in his computer science program but felt paralyzed by the sheer number of career paths available. The key to navigating this labyrinth is to silence the noise, both external and internal, and focus on your own unique strengths, passions, and aspirations. There are resources available, from career coaches and mentors to online communities and workshops, all designed to provide guidance and support as you navigate the twists and turns of the job market.
Charting your course strengths, skills, and the sea of opportunities. The first step in navigating career uncertainty is to gain a deep understanding of yourself. What are your strengths? What skills come naturally to you? What are you passionate about? These are the building blocks of your career compass. Think of your skills as your ship's sails, each one catching the wind and propelling you forward. Some skills are technical, like proficiency in a particular software or expertise in a specific field. Others are transferable, like communication, problem-solving, or leadership, adaptable to a wide range of industries and roles. Your strengths, on the other hand, are the rudder of your ship, guiding you towards roles and industries where you can thrive. Understanding your strengths allows you to seek out opportunities where you can utilize them fully, leading to greater job satisfaction and success. Research different industries, roles, and companies that pique your interest. Be open to exploring uncharted waters and discovering hidden coves of opportunity.
The first rule of success is to have a vision. You see, if you don't have a vision of where you go, and if you don't have a goal where you go, you drift around and you never end up anywhere. It's like you can have the best ship in the world, you can have the best airplane in the world. If the pilot or the captain doesn't know where to go, it would just drift around. It would not end up anywhere, or most likely in the wrong place.
The compass within, unveiling your passions and interests. While skills and strengths provide the foundation for a fulfilling career, it's your passions and interests that will fuel your journey and keep you motivated through the inevitable storms. Your passions are the winds in your sails, the driving force that propels you forward, even when the seas are rough. Think back to your childhood dreams, your hobbies, the books you couldn't put down, the documentaries that captivated your imagination. What sparked your curiosity? What ignited your sense of wonder? These early interests often hold clues to your true passions. Don't dismiss them as frivolous or impractical. Explore how they might translate into fulfilling work. The more you allow yourself to explore, the closer you'll get to uncovering work that feels less like a job and more like a calling.
Section 5. Setting sail. Education, experience, and expertise. Once you have a clearer understanding of your strengths, skills, passions, and interests, it's time to set sail and gain the knowledge and experience necessary to navigate your chosen career path. Education plays a crucial role in this journey, providing you with a strong foundation of knowledge and skills. This doesn't necessarily mean pursuing a traditional four-year degree. There are countless paths to acquiring the expertise you need. Consider online courses, boot camps, workshops, and certifications, all of which offer flexible and affordable ways to gain in-demand skills. Experience, however, is often the most valuable currency in the job market. Internships, volunteer work, freelance projects, and even personal projects can provide you with practical experience, build your portfolio, and demonstrate your capabilities to potential employers. The job market is constantly evolving, and it's essential to adapt and acquire new skills throughout your career.
Navigating the vast ocean of the job market is far less daunting when you have a strong fleet by your side. Networking is about building genuine connections with people who share your interests, values, and career aspirations. Start by reaching out to your existing network: family, friends, former colleagues, professors, and classmates. Let them know about your career goals and ask for their insights and connections. Attend industry events, conferences, and workshops, not just to gather information but to connect with people in your field. Online networking platforms like LinkedIn have become invaluable tools for connecting with professionals, joining industry groups, and staying informed about job openings. When networking, focus on building authentic relationships rather than simply collecting business cards.
The job market, like the open sea, is full of unexpected storms. Economic downturns, industry shifts, and unexpected layoffs can leave you feeling adrift, questioning your course, and wondering if you'll ever reach your destination. It's during these challenging times that adaptability and resilience become your most valuable assets. Adaptability is the ability to adjust your sails, to change course when necessary, and to navigate the shifting winds of the job market. It might mean considering roles outside your comfort zone, relocating for a promising opportunity, or pivoting to a different industry altogether. Resilience is the strength to weather the storms, to bounce back from setbacks, and to emerge stronger and more determined than before. Surround yourself with a supportive network of family, friends, and mentors who can offer encouragement and guidance during challenging times. The job market is a marathon, not a sprint, and those who persevere, adapt, and remain resilient are the ones who ultimately reach their destination.
The job market is filled with inspiring stories of individuals who have overcome career uncertainty, embraced change, and reinvented themselves to achieve remarkable success. These stories serve as beacons of hope, reminding us that it's never too late to chart a new course, acquire new skills, and pursue our passions. Take, for instance, the story of Maria, a former accountant who, after years of feeling unfulfilled, decided to pursue her lifelong passion for baking. She enrolled in a pastry arts program, honed her skills, and eventually opened her own successful bakery, finding joy and fulfillment in sharing her culinary creations with the world. Or consider the journey of David, a former corporate executive who, after being laid off, decided to pursue his love of photography. These stories demonstrate the transformative power of embracing change, pursuing our passions, and believing in our ability to create fulfilling and meaningful careers. They remind us that we all possess the capacity for reinvention, for growth, and for achieving success on our own terms.
Navigating career uncertainty in the modern job market can feel like embarking on a voyage across uncharted waters. It's a journey filled with both exhilarating possibilities and unexpected challenges, requiring a delicate balance of self-awareness, adaptability, resilience, and a healthy dose of courage. It's about trusting your instincts, embracing the unknown, and charting a course that aligns with your unique values, passions, and aspirations. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all map to success in the modern job market. Your journey will be uniquely yours, shaped by your individual strengths, interests, and experiences. Embrace the uncertainty, view challenges as opportunities for growth, and never lose sight of your own definition of success. The job market may be uncertain, but one thing remains constant: your ability to adapt, learn, and create a career that brings you joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose.
Thanks for watching. If you're feeling uncertain about your career path, remember that you're not alone. Take the first step towards clarity by identifying your strengths and sharing them with us in the comments below. And if you found this content helpful, please share it with a friend who might be struggling too. Let's support each other in finding our way. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on navigating career uncertainty. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you found this content helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging videos. Hit the like button to show your support. Share your experiences you have in the comments box below. Share this video with your friends and family if you think it could be helpful to them. I bet you to share in box comments below which of these facts you knew it. Your engagement and support mean the world to us, and we're always looking for ways to improve and provide more value to our viewers. So, don't hesitate to reach out and let us know how we can better serve you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.